In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your business phone number on your Pinterest account on your iPhone. So whether or not you're using a business profile or you just simply want to add that phone number there so that people can contact you based on whatever your service you're providing, you can easily add that on your profile. So you want to click your profile in the lower right on the Pinterest account there and then click the three dots in the upper right. Then go into the settings. Now from here, click on edit profile and here you will find the option at the bottom to enter phone number. So you just need to fill in your phone number. Here you can choose your country code. So you just want to go ahead and choose country code from here. So let me just show you. You can click here, you scroll down to the bottom, you have the option to select your country code and your phone number. So just simple, go ahead and enter that info and you'll be able to add your phone number there. Once you add it, you click on done. It's going to come right on the upper right hand side. So let's say my phone number was this. I, I click it and I add it there. You will see that the phone number is added, right? So that's how you can quickly add your phone number on your Pinterest account. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.